We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as memoir. You do want to stress on the first syllable, memoir, memoir. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as memoir, memoir, with more of an R sound at the end. Memoir in American English versus memoir in British English. Did you get it? Did you hear the difference? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.